Holiday time is special, and I think it calls for a special dessert, like my chocolate swirl cheesecake. So we'll start by making the crust by crushing some chocolate wafers into the bowl of my food processor, along with a little bit of cinnamon and some melted butter. Coat the bottom of a greased spring-form pan with the crushed cookie mixture and then press it to about 1 inch up the sides of the pan. Then melt chocolate chips into about a cup of warm cream. In my stand mixer, I've got a cup of sour cream and then 2 packages of softened cream cheese. Then I'll add in a cup of sugar and 3 eggs and then beat it. And I might have to scrape down the sides, and after I've done that, I'll add a teaspoon of vanilla. Now preheat your oven to 325 and then pour half the batter in the pan, and then pour a layer of that chocolate right over the batter, and then the rest of the batter. And then take a point of a sharp knife and swirl it all around. Be careful not to pierce the crust. Wrap the pan in foil, place in a roasting pan, then add hot water halfway up the side of the pan and bake for 45 minutes. Turn off the heat, but don't open the oven until it's completely cool. Cool it completely on a rack and then refrigerate it until you're ready to serve. Get the recipe by writing to me here at the station or log on to the website and click on the Kitchen Guy link. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. I'll see you next time.